Friends, I am very happy to announce that I just finished a half marathon. I had no plans till 4 o'clock. I just got up and said I'm going to run a half marathon. I want to test my mind and my body. And I'm so proud to tell you that just before the sunset, I started at about 5 o'clock and it's around 8, 10 to 20. So it took me around 3 hours and 20 minutes, which is not very good, and I have to work a lot because if I have to run a full marathon on my birthday, then I need to have everything clocked on time. So I still have a lot of work to do. But what I really gained today was an insight that, hey, if you have zero preparation, get up and just start running, what can you really achieve? So I'm very happy to announce that I could complete 13.2 miles. I'll send you all the data, and this gives me assurance that I am all set for a full marathon on my birthday, 15th November. So yeah, and this journey started in 2014 and it was so tough, that marathon, but today it was like a breeze. I didn't even have 1% problem. I didn't even carry my water, my fluids, my sugar or vitamins, and I just ran. 80% of the race I didn't even touch water or any sugar, so which also gives me clue that there are areas of improvement that I need to work on. Also, I didn't take a break, I didn't stop at all till about 90-95%, where I just paused for like 30 seconds. So yeah, so these are the moments of the race that I had, and I'm so happy and I'm so proud and I'm so excited, and I really look forward to running this race full marathon this year on my birthday, and next year, which is a landmark year, I'm looking at San Francisco Marathon or Vancouver Marathon or London Marathon. One of these marathons I would be running in 2025 on my birthday. Just to prove to myself and to everybody else, age is a number in your mind. You can achieve anything on your earth. And this is especially for all my friends and relatives who suffer from arthritis and blood pressure and heart diseases. Friends, I haven't seen a doctor in last fucking I don't know how many years, and if I can do it, you can do it too. There's nothing impossible on earth. You only have to set your heart, your body and mind on it, and you can achieve it. Nobody on earth should tell you that you can't do it, because you can. If you tell yourself you can, every second you tell yourself you can, you will. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is for my friends and fans all over the world on this beautiful Borealis Day. Aurora Borealis Day is today, where there are lights, so many lights that the sun sprays that tell us that, hey, there's so much excitement in life. Be excited, be happy, keep learning, keep enjoying, have fun, be full your life with laughter, and use your mind. Every single thought of your mind should be positive mind, because that is what will give you anything that you achieve in life. Some people told me that, you know, you only spread your legs as much as your blanket. That's a saying actually from India, but I'm purposely translating that into English. I don't think so. I think you can stretch the length and breadth of your mattress on which you sleep anytime you want, 100 times if you want. It is in your mind. The power is in your mind. So don't let anybody tell you. No God, no destiny defines you. No country defines you. You define yourself. So define yourself and achieve the most and the best in life that you set for yourself. And I am a testimony, a guy who came from a small village, could come to America, do a PhD, be a professor, write books, be a bestseller, and run a marathon. Are you kidding me? It's just a state of mind. It's a state of mind that I challenge you and invite you and I request you and humbly submit to you that please give yourself the best life that you choose. Don't choose for the second best. Choose for the best in life, the best quality of life. Look at the air here. AQI 2030. Look at the noise, zero noise. All I can hear is the beautiful ocean, the waves that ripple through the sunset and give happiness and harness the strength in our lives. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'm very, very excited today, and I request all my friends, family, fans all over the world, 10, 20, 30,000 people that are in my network to watch this 5 minutes and show it to your kids and family and friends and get excited. Fill it with laughter. This is after running 3.5 hours. If I can laugh and I can smile, I can dance. So can you. Thanks for watching.